And if you haven't already have a Binance account, you actually use my referral code that gives you a 10% off on any trading fee. And the code and the link for the referral is actually down in the link description or right at the site. So you can actually use it to get some discount on your trading fee. Other than that, you can actually go to you can join the Telegram group where I will post my trading bot profit daily and the pancake swap profit daily. If you want to know how to use the trading bot or pancake swap, you can check my other videos, whereby the video is actually also in the link description. Alright kids, I am going to teach you guys how to buy some cryptocurrencies. You can be Bitcoin, you can be Ethereum, you can be Dogecoin, you can be others. So right over here, the app that I'm using to buy is actually called Binance. So what you need to do is that you just head to Google Store, and look for Binance. It looks like this, and then you download it. After install, you open up Binance and register your account. So what you need to do is that right over here, you will need to do some KYC verification where it uses your IC and your face recognition to verify it. There's an option not to verify it, just that the amount of deposit and withdrawal is limited if you haven't completed the verification. So right now over here it says that I'm actually in the intermediate verified stage. So my withdrawal rate is actually higher, which is around 50k US dollar per day. Okay, in order to buy cryptos, you need to have a stablecoin currency. So the stablecoin currency is actually a 1-to-1 ratio based on the US dollar itself. So one stablecoin equals to one US dollar. No matter in what year, it's still 1-to-1 ratio. So what we need to do is that we have to buy some stablecoins. So I'm going to click over here on the top left corner and make sure that it's a professional version. So when you first got into Binance, you will actually look something like this. This is light version. In order to change it to professional, click the top left and switch it to professional. So this is a professional version. You can't buy the stable coins on the light version. You have to buy it on the professional version of Binance. In order to buy, go to the bottom right corner, wallets, and hit P2P at the top right corner, and you can click buy. So what P2P is that you buy cryptos from people that are actually selling it via banking. You can use Touch and Go also, but for me, I use it banking. You can be banking through Hong Leong Bank, Citibank, and the others. As for Touch and Go, the fee is actually higher, so I would recommend you to choose bank transfer instead. And the other way is where you use credit cards to buy, but I wouldn't recommend it because the transaction fee is around 3.4% for debit or credit card usage, and that's actually pretty high. So in order to buy the USDT that I mentioned, the stablecoin, you hit buy, and these are all the merchants that are actually selling their USDT. For demonstration, I'm gonna buy 100 RM worth of USDT. So I will hit the top right corner and filter, put 100, because this is the amount that I wanna buy. So choose bank transfer, and you can choose Malaysia and click yes. So right over here, there's only 2 people selling it. So based on their rating at the over here, it's actually 99.19%, and the other one is also the same. Well, technically it's actually from the same merchant. So 99.19 is actually a very high positive rating. And their trades is 245, which is considered a lot. So they actually did 245 trades with people that want to buy tokens, they want to buy stable coins from them via P2P. So you hit buy, and the amount that I'm gonna buy is 100 ringgit, and I hit buy. So right over are the details. You can just straight away click chat first, and these are the rules applied by the merchant when you do bank transfer. So just make sure that it's instant transfer, there's no third party app inside, and for the references or the payment details, never ever write anything like crypto, Binance, BNB, USDT, or Bitcoin, or even P2P. Because if you actually put that as reference or payment details, you may actually charge a penalty of 10 ringgit, or the Bank Negara of Malaysia will actually call you. So what I need to do now is I have to bank in to this merchant. So I click to payment page, and this is the name of the banker, this is the bank account. So I just hit copy, and for that I will click transfer first, and I head to my Maybank transfer, new transfer, Maybank. To double confirm, over here it says that it's Maybank, and I've copied the account number and I just paste it over here. Continue. Okay, so the amount that we actually deposit is 100 ringgit, so I just click 100 and OK. For the references, I would recommend you to put the reference number of this transaction. So here I'll put the last 4 numbers, which is 4384. Right over here, 4384. So it's 4384, and I click proceed, confirm, approve. Okay, so click share my receipt and send a screenshot to the seller. Okay, so this is a screenshot, and you have to wait for a while for it to confirm the payment that we made, and from there they will transfer. Okay, the merchant actually already transfer, so I will give a positive and done. So the amount of USDT that we get is 23.75 USDT. Okay, so let's just check our wallet, and over here it says that our P2P wallet has 23.75 USDT. So in order to buy some crypto coins, you have to click transfer first. This is a compulsory step. Click transfer and click transfer again. So what we need to do is that we are actually doing spot trading, so we have to transfer your funds from the P2P wallet to spot wallet, and the fund that we are going to transfer is USDT. So just hit USDT, it's right over here, and the amount that we're going to transfer is maximum amount. This transfer from wallet to wallet actually doesn't cost any fee at all, so just hit transfer. Refresh, now it's 0, and we go to spot. Okay, we have right bottom over here, we have 33.75 US dollars. In order to buy, we hit market at the bottom, and to buy is let's buy some Dogecoin. Okay, looks like Dogecoin has a sharp rise in a 1-day candle period. Pretty good. So we hit buy, and over here, this is the amount of Dogecoin that you want to buy. This is its price, and this is the amount of USDT worth of Dogecoin that we want to buy. And we have 23.75 US dollars. The minimum amount that you need to buy is 10 USDT. So for me, I'm gonna buy 10. I'll put 11 just in case. And over here it says that I will be buying 41.1 Dogecoin based on this price. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, then just hit buy. Okay, it's been fulfilled. So let's just head back to our bottom right corner wallet, spot, and over here it says that yes, we got 41.1 Dogecoin right over here. So this is actually how you buy Dogecoin, and you can buy other cryptocurrencies too. It can be Bitcoin or right over here. You hit buy again, and you just maybe like you buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, and you just hit buy. And to sell, I will be demonstrating selling Dogecoin. Just hit Doge and hit sell. So the amount of Dogecoin that I want to sell is 41.1. The available Dogecoin is written over here. So since I want to sell all my Dogecoin, then I just click 100%. And then I will sell the Dogecoin. So right over here is the order pair, and if the order actually finds a buyer automatically, it will be sold. Okay, it's been sold. So the available Dogecoin right now it's 0, and everything is back to USDT. So we actually get back our USDT, and yeah, that's all from me. And this is actually how you buy Dogecoin or other coins. So remember that you're actually using the Binance app, and if you haven't already have a Binance account, you actually use my referral code that gives you a 10% off on any trading fee. And the code and the link for the referral is actually down in the link description.